Welcome back to our channel. Subscribe for the vibes. Make sure you like, comment, share, turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video with food and laughter, you will receive it. Also guys, give this video a thumbs up for this Jamaican stewed turkey neck I'm about to devour. And if you know me, you know I said my grace off camera. So we're gonna just dig in here. So I'm gonna eat a few while you go look for that subscribe button. Guys, this is so good. I don't know if you guys could even see it or what. It's really hot, so I'm gonna take some of the gravy for the rice first. And I also thank my baby for making this lovely meal for me. And there's some potato on the side right here. It's hot still. Stop it. This is so good. So babe just put turkey neck and butter beans. Oh my god, this is so good. Okay, since you subscribed and came back, I hope you subscribe. So, I was laying in bed one night, late. And it came to my mind like, why do people use the phrase, hurt people, hurt people? I just kept thinking about it. Is that an excuse for us? I'm saying us because I'm one of the hurt people. I'm just when it's cooking it. It's hot. Oh my god. This is good, guys. No, is that an excuse for us just to go around and start hurting people because hurt people hurt people? I have an opinion about it. There's gonna be a lot of sucking, I'm sure. The meat is the meat, yeah. So my opinion is, hurt people should not hurt people. This is so good, guys. Can you see the steam off of that? I'm messing with my shirt. Sure did. Man, oh man. Baby! Put your foot in this. The reason why is just my opinion. That's it. It's just my opinion. Hurt people, we know the pain and the emotional distress It causes us when we get hurt. Some hurt is very hard to come back from. So the hurt people, including myself, we know what the pain is. Because if it hurts, it's a hurt. So in turn, we should do the opposite. And don't become hurt people. Because in my opinion, I think we know better. Because we've gotten hurt, so that's why we become hurt people. Hurt people. I'm starting like a so. So I think we should rearrange the name. My thoughts. I'm supposed to be like our people. We're gonna replace it with smart people. Because a smart person being around someone that they know they're gonna hurt, smile and be like, the pain I'm about to cause on you emotionally, I'm gonna walk away. So, we're gonna rephrase the name and call us smart people. Comment below if you don't agree with me. The debate shall be good. Hey, my name is Trent, and I'm a hurt person. I'm gonna just go around hurting everybody, because hurt people hurt people. No. This is good. Still hot. So yeah, that's what I lay awake thinking about. Oh. I can't stop sucking you. Oh. So in my opinion, guys, hurt people should not hurt people. We should not do it. Because we know what hurt is. It doesn't matter what kind of hurt. We just know what hurt is. This was a good meal. I still have some turkey neck. These are the beans. I didn't even eat a potato. Hold on. So we're trying to change the work, one unhurt at a time. All right, guys. Thank you so much for sitting and eating with me. So I'm gonna, maybe you just say if you made it this far in the video, like the video. If you made it this far in the video, share the video. If you made it this far in the video, subscribe to the channel. Come on, the vibes was good. So until we meet again, until I see you again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye guys.